Hello teacher, this is my homework about E and E sound. Exercise 1. Practicing words. E sound is, his, which, it, live, listen, spring, winter, billion, city, history, busy, pretty, British, district, finish, thin, near, different, instruments. E sound: we, he, she, these, peas. Leave, reason, free, easy, meal, beat, dream, sweet, cheap, clean, speak, treat, weak, real, please. Exercise 2. Practicing sentences. His sister is coming to visit him this spring. I think it's important to listen to different opinions. Can you finish the report by the end of this week? I prefer thin crust pizza over thick crust. The British couple enjoyed their vacation in the Caribbean. I live in a quiet residential district near the park. These cookies are easy to make and taste delicious. I believe in maintaining peace and harmony in the workplace. These cheap but clean apartments are ideal for students on a tight budget. The reason I called is to discuss the project timeline. Feel free to ask any questions during the presentation. I had a strange dream last night about flying elephants. The ice cream shop offers a variety of sweet flavor. Exercise 3. Lizzie in the city. Lizzie lives in a big, busy city. She's a happy girl, always pretty. She likes to listen and look around and find new things in the town. In the spring, she walks in the park, trying to learn from the start. She finds old stories up on the streets and makes new friends and likes to meet. When it's cold in the winter time, she still has fun, rain or shine. In this big city, she can be free and find what makes her happy and can be